In this video, you are going to learn how to nest audio and video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, what exactly is nesting? Nesting in Adobe Premiere Pro groups multiple clips, effects, or sequences into a single manageable unit. This streamlines your workflow because you can apply effects and transformations to the entire group at once. It also keeps your timeline cleaner and more organized by consolidating groups of clips or complex edits into just one item. So follow along with me step by step. Once you do it yourself, you will never forget how simple and useful nesting really is. After adding your clips to the timeline and making your edits, select the clips that you want to nest together. If there are some clips you don't want to include, you can use the Shift key to select only the ones you need, or simply click and drag to highlight them in the timeline. Once you have selected them, right click and choose the Nest option. Premiere Pro will then ask you to give a name for this new nested sequence. And yes, you heard that right. All the clips you nested are now converted into a separate sequence. You can even see this sequence appear in your project panel once it is created. The same process works for audio clips as well. But here is something important you should know. If you copy a nested clip and paste it somewhere else in your project, any changes you make inside one nested file will automatically apply to the other one too. So, if you want to make unique or custom changes for a duplicated nested clip, you will need to unnest it first, make your changes, and then nest it again. And yes, the exact same applies for audio tracks. That's it guys, this is how you can nest your audio and video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Premiere Pro and YouTube related tutorials.